Yo, what's up? It's your boy JB, man. Shout out to Alienware. It's the best computers out there, the best gaming computers on the market right now. I'm telling you. Check it out. My keyboards have their own light show. My keyboards have their own light show. Does your keyboards have a light show? Not unless it's the Alienware. Brought to you by Alienware Technology. It's the bomb. Yes, it is. Anyway, it's your boy JB, man. Look at me. I'm all over the Twitter and the YouTube and the Facebook, and I'm on it, man. Yo, look, it's your boy JB, right? And I'm on it. I'm on it. Let me show you. Check it out. Look. Look. There's the YouTube, and I'm on that YouTube all over it. Look, that's the Facebook. Look, I'm on the Facebook, and even my buddies are liking my stuff, man. It's awesome. My boy Frost, he's like, shouted me out again. That was too cool. That's what's up, bruh. You know it's much love to you too, bruh. You know this, and I'm on it. Look. That's the videos on the Facebook. Boom. There's my Twitter. Look, your boy JB's Twitter. There's my little icon for the Twitter. And boom, there's my tweets and stuff. Look. I'm all over the Twitter too, y'all. And then look, I'm going to show you one more time. Boom. Digital Altitude. My links. Look. Access your affiliate links. Look, it's my stuff. It's a business. It's online. Look, there it is. You can't have it unless you get it too. Actually, you can have it too. That's the thing about it. You can do the same thing I did. It's $1. You get a 2-week trial for $1. And here's the thing. You can click my links, right? And it's not going to cost you $1 to click my links. It's going to cost you $1 after you click my links and you find out some information. It's going to give you all the information you need to go, okay, you at least can have $1, and I'll at least see your stuff for 2 weeks, mister, and see if you're real. And I'm like, yes, do it, because I did it, and it is real, and I'm doing it. And I can show you it's real, and I just showed you how I'm doing it, and I'm doing it right now. This is the greatest part about it. I'm doing it right now. I'm making videos, and I'm marketing my business. From the comfort of my own home, it's all online. I can do it at home. Like, you go to college online nowadays, and it's a digital business system e-learning company. But the only difference is you're open for business while you're learning your business. Wouldn't that be so cool? You could go to school, right? And you could learn your own business in the major you're in and the career you're looking to go to. And they automatically got you a job in it and started saying, here's how you get paid. Now, learn how to do it and go get paid. And like, they show you step by step while you're doing it. And you're like, what? No way. Cool. That's what I said too. So if you're anything like me and you didn't know any of this stuff and you're like a dreamer and you want to own your own business and you want to really know how to do it and you don't really like learn like everybody else, you're like more on visual aid stuff and stuff mostly done for you, and you're very charismatic and you can do videos, but you don't know the computer, Facebook and Twitters and YouTubes. The only reason I had a Twitter account in the first place was to promote me when I was a DJ. And then I lost my DJ job and I was like, no, I'm not DJ no more. What am I going to do? And it was awful and I was like depressed. And then I came across this Digital Altitude thing, right? And I was no longer depressed. I found my way. And now I'm a marketer and I own my own business. I found a whole new way to do stuff. And I'm learning everything I need to know while I'm in business. I'm open for business now, folks. And my business is called JB's the Business. Hashtag JB's the Business. That's JBZDA Business. And it's all about DA, Digital Altitude, what I just showed you, the Aspire program. And you can get LinkedIn and get your links and get your affiliates and all that, man. You can actually be in business while you learn how to own and operate your business. It's awesome. You gotta at least check it out. So please, click the links, do your due diligence, find out about it, learn stuff. It's what your brain needs. Information. We're in the information age where we gotta know what we're doing. We gotta know all the information we can get. So go get your information. I'm not telling you not to check it out. I'm telling you to check it out. So if you like it, you can do like I did and be in business too. We not to be in business. So go check out the business and be in business. Remember, that's JB's the Business. Hashtag JB's the Business. Check it out. Click the links. Learn something. Until next time, folks, this has been your boy JB, brought to you by JB. And I'm out. Deuces.